Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply a makeup filter to your pictures on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, select the picture you would like to edit. Then you should slide to the right side and click on the makeup category. Here you have a bunch of filters, as you can see, but only one of them is available to all of the users of FaceApp and the others are only available to the premium users. So you need to purchase the premium pack in order to unlock these filters. However, you can apply makeup 4 by clicking on it, then the photo will be produced, and here you can see the result. As you click on the contrast button on the right side, you can see the difference between the original and the filtered picture. If you would like to save it, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.